And the stage is all set for Nitish Kumar to take charge as the Chief Minister yet again of the state of Bihar. And this is going to be the 10th time after the NDA posted a mammoth victory in the assembly polls. The grand swearing-in ceremony is taking place this morning in the Gandhi Maidan at Patna's historic Maidan there. And it's going to be a big NDA show of strength with the Prime Minister there, the Home Minister there. All the NDA Chief Ministers will be in attendance. Nitish Kumar addressed the NDA legislators in the assembly just yesterday, where he praised the Prime Minister and declared that the state of Bihar is on the path to progress and that it will develop even more. Along with Nitish Kumar, 22 ministers are expected to take oath of the office. Along with the Chief Minister, 9 BJP MLAs are expected to be sworn in, 10 MLAs from the JDU and 1 from Chirag Paswan's LJP, as well as, we are expecting that Speaker's position to be retained by the BJP. My colleague Basra joining us from the Gandhi Maidan in Patna. Let's listen in to the Chief Minister, who is going to be taking a charge. He is going to be sworn in minutes from now, in fact hours from now. Let's just listen in to Nitish Kumar.
केंद्र की तरफ से पूरा का पूरा कितना ज्यादा काम और सब सहयोग हो रहा है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी भी कितना ज्यादा घूमते हैं, अन्य लोग भी घूमते हैं, तो सब जगह से फायदा हो रहा है। तो आप जान लीजिए कि अब पहले से तो अपना राज्य अच्छा बढ़ रहा है और खूब आगे बढ़ेगा। और केंद्र का जो सहयोग हो रहा है उनके चलते तो और भी ज्यादा होने वाला है। तो ये सब मिल करके बहुत आगे बढ़ने वाला है।
Well, joining me is Vasudha from the Gandhi Maidan. Raman as well joining us. Vasudha, over to you first. The stage is completely set. Take us through the security arrangements in place. We know from what the BJP is saying that about 1 lakh people are expected to be there. All the BJP rule states their chief ministers are expected to be there as well, along with the Home Minister, of course, the Prime Minister. But take us through, as far as the probable names are concerned, because that is something that's been doing the rounds since yesterday. And also, as far as the Deputy Chief Minister's post is concerned, there seems to be, we are expecting, some sort of a change there. Could there really be a woman Deputy Chief Minister?
Well, history repeats itself in different forms, Divya. This is Gandhi Maidan, and I'm standing right outside Gandhi Maidan, and Gandhi Maidan at one point was known as the site of JP Narayan's total Kranti or total revolution, which was a call to save democracy during the time of emergency. And today, several years later, it's also become the site of stable democracy. People have already started arriving in. And before I go to the details of what is expected, let me show you the posters here. The Mahal in Patna. This is Gandhi Maidan Chauraha, and you can see the posters all around me. It says Bihar ki Janta ka Aabhar, ab banega Viksit Bihar. You see the dominance of the BJP here. Yes, of course, it also has Nitish Kumar's pictures. All the posters have Nitish Kumar pictures. There are also separate posters for Chirag Paswan's party, but you can also very clearly see that there are posters which talk about Bihar mein Bahar hai, ab is baar Sanatan Sarkar hai. Then there's also one poster dedicated to Nitish Kumar, but clearly the saffron is very visible, which shows that whilst Nitish Kumar is central to this government, it's also the BJP that is slowly, steadily expanding cautiously. At the same time, also the BJP recognizes that its role is very critical here because it has gotten all the allies together. It has to get them to stay. It has to perform because Bihar needs jobs, investment, industry. So this is a government that will be put in place, which will also look at a futuristic Bihar. There have been many promises that the NDA government has made. The NDA parties, before they got into government, they made a lot of promises. They said that they're going to prevent floods. They said that they're going to give 1 crore jobs in the course of the next 5 years. They've talked about industry. They've talked about at least 15 lakh crore investment. They've talked about improving the physical infrastructure of Bihar, including public transport. Traffic jams are a huge problem here. So clearly the cabinet that will be formed will also be in some ways symbolic of what the NDA wants from Bihar. And coming to the question that you asked, I'm told that the Deputy Chief Ministers, the existing Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha and Samrat Chaudhary are going to be repeated in some forms. There is a little bit of a tussle over the Speaker's post. The Speaker's post is very important The Speaker is the boss of the House. He decides how the House functions. And in a state like Bihar, the Speaker becomes incredibly important because there have been defections in the past. Although this time the majority is so huge that nobody is even thinking on those directions. But considering a post-Nitish scenario, it's important to understand that the Speaker's post is something that the BJP has managed to wrangle on its side. So that is one important thing. Other than that, Samrat Chaudhary, the Kushwaha face of the BJP, is likely to be sworn in and he is likely to be the Deputy Chief Minister. He's somebody that the party is banking on a lot. Vijay Sinha, on the other hand, somebody who won from Lakhisarai, the existing Deputy Chief Minister. He is an ABVP man, unlike Samrat Chaudhary, who has a background in the RJD, has been a minister in several governments, including Rabri Devi's. Mr. Vijay Sinha is an out-and-out BJP man, is a core organization man. He's also going to get a big responsibility. Mangal Pandey, the upper caste face of the BJP, who has been a minister in the past, who won from Siwan, not an easy seat. He's also likely to be there. When you talk about women, there aren't many women. There are only 28 women MLAs in Bihar this time. And Shreyasi Singh, the shooter-turned politician from Jamui, is one face. Maithili Thakur is another face. You also have Choti Kumari, somebody who defeated the very famous Keshari Lal Yadav, Bhojpuri singer and actor. She's seen as a giant killer, not Choti at all. So she is also someone who is being considered, is what I've been told. But some of them are first-time MLAs. We'll have to wait and see if the party will give them that responsibility or not. In about 3 hours from now, the swearing-in ceremony, the oath-taking will start. You can see the crowd here. People have already started coming in. Announcements are being made. And more importantly, music is going to get on. The security checks are being made. Security has been beefed up. And this is the Gandhi Maidan. The gates are all being set. The Home Minister, Amit Shah, and BJP President JP Nadda have already arrived in Patna last night. Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, is also likely to participate, as is Chandrababu Naidu, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, Eknath Shinde, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, several Chief Ministers of the NDA. So clearly, this is going to be an NDA show of strength. आप जाएंगी यहाँ पे? हाँ, क्यों आई हैं यहाँ पे? किससे मिलने आई हैं?
नीतीश जी से मिलने आए हैं, जीविका दीदी हैं।
अच्छा, जीविका दीदी
हैं।
तो नीतीश जी अच्छे लगते हैं आपको?
हाँ हाँ, बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। तब सभी काम करते हैं। हम लोग को अथी दिए ना, तो इसलिए तो अच्छा लगे करता है। बहुत आनंद है हम लोग।
आपके साथ बहुत सारी और औरतें आई हैं?
और हाँ, सब लोग आ रही हैं।
सारी जीविका दीदी खुश हैं?
हाँ, सारी।
और क्या चाहती है सरकार से?
सरकार से हम लोग यही अब विकास चाहते हैं, और क्या चाहते हैं कि विकास चाहिए हम लोग को। विकास कर रहे हैं और आगे विकास करें, यही हम लोग कामना चाहते हैं।
विकास कर रहे हैं और विकास की उम्मीद है. That's the punchline here. Several women have already started arriving. Many of them are Jivika Didi. Jivika Didi have been the muscle of the NDA's outreach to women. The NDA has tried to reach out to a lot of women, which is why there's been not just 5% increase in women's voting. It's also clear that in 14 districts, there has been at least 10% more voting amongst women. So there will be a lot of women representation is what I've been told. But who are these faces is something that remains to be seen.
Right. Vasudha, all eyes on that swearing-in ceremony that's going to be taking place at 11:30 this morning. We also have Raman with us. Raman, when it comes to the tried and tested formula, of course, is the Bihar government, the NDA government, in fact, going to continue with that? Is it almost certain that the deputy chief ministers will continue in their role?
Exactly, the two big names as the Deputy Chief Minister who is going to swear in today, as the earlier one was Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha. Not expected more, but they are the two ones who will going to take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. And right now we are inside the Gandhi Maidan. I want to show you the visuals of chopper who is drilling for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will directly landed at Gandhi Maidan at 11:30 when he will land at Patna airport, or from there he will directly land inside the Gandhi Maidan campus. And I want to show you the cutouts of the big BJP NDA leaders behind me: Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Nitish Kumar, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Upen Kushwaha, Jitan Ram Manji, Chirag Paswan, these all are the big leaders cutouts which have been put inside the Gandhi Maidan. And as you can see the numbers of chair, it is around more than 1 lakh chair is displayed inside the Gandhi Maidan campus, and also the people are now started coming, entering inside the Gandhi Maidan. Security checks is also going on, and stage is all set for the swearing in ceremony. So 11:30 is the time when Nitish Kumar will take oath as the Chief Minister of Bihar, 10th time, and it is going to be a history created today by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.